Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to Justin's house. It's time for ServiceNow Store highlights. I've got, since the last time you saw the video, we've had 52 new store releases, either updates or new releases. I've got them summarized here for you. You can see on the screen I'm getting organized in my app. I'll call out the first one, and then I'm going to filter it out so I don't have to look at it. Edgile, E-D-G-I-L-E. So there's a bunch of updates from Edgile, and essentially what they did is they released content in their release. And so I will say, let's see here, does not contain, I'll filter that out. So they have a quarterly content update, it looks like, and there was like 20 or so products that were updated. So that knocked out a bunch of them. So I got 30 left. And of those 30 left, there was a couple of new releases. So let's cover those first. AppDynamics application model and alerting integration, new release, transactions and real-time application topology. So we've got a ServiceNow app and AppDynamics key features around importing real application models. So a new app there for AppDynamics if you're using that. Another new release, we'll highlight that here. We got 3 more. The CadencyDirect Spoke. So if you're using CadencyDirect or Office of Finance and you want to bring that into workflows, you can do that now with CadencyDirect. The next new release was a Computacenter Service Desk Integration. So if you're using Computacenter, I think I said that right that time, there is a new application out there in the ServiceNow Store for that particular one. Let's take a look. Looks like there was Fleet Management was another new release. Allows end users to request a new company vehicle and raise specific incidents on that vehicle. So there you go, request, raise an incident, manage the request and incidents, and overview the application usage with that new application called Fleet Management. By the way, none of the stuff I'm going over is from ServiceNow. These are all from third parties. ServiceNow didn't release anything that I saw. This is a new one for Red Hat Insights. It's a new application. It's flow templates that you can use. They're receiving JSON events from Red Hat Insights and then triggering actions based on that data. So if you're using Red Hat Insights, that might be a nice one you might want to take a look at. And I think that might have been the last of the new releases. Nope, I got one more. Proven Optics Capital Budgeting. So if you're using Proven Optics Capital Budgeting application to streamline the automation of your capital planning process, that has a new app available in the ServiceNow Store. And the rest of what I want to cover are highlights. So there were some fixes, there were some patches, people bringing their stuff up, getting it ready for Tokyo. So that was interesting. I wonder if I can say, I can't show matching on these tags. That would have been cool if I could do that. Yes, I can't do that. So Avanair Workflow, they got a landing page, out-of-the-box reports. Looks like some bulk publish of requests, select approval of processes, collaboration for invoices, enhanced supplier information management, so new question types. So if you're using Avanair, I don't know if I'm saying that right, there were some updates on that one. I want to make sure to highlight that one. AppViewX had some new stuff added for certificate automation in the service catalog. So I had to kind of decipher the release notes there, but essentially managing approvals, contract lifecycle management, OAuth support, logging module for complete transaction history, service portal. So some new stuff there for AppViewX if you're using that. Let's look at the next highlight here, Designer. What a great name, Designer. This is neat. So basically it's a way to design stuff, and you can see there are some fixes in this particular version around swim lanes, resizing, and columns and width, and the pool, and adding stuff. So if you're using Designer, the really well-named app, then there was some fixes, a lot of updates on that one. It wasn't just Tokyo. So wanted to make sure I highlighted that one. And then let's see, Employee Experience Pack. There was a couple of these in the last one, so I lied then. ServiceNow did have one. Employee Experience Packs are from ServiceNow. So this one only for San Diego, so if you're on Tokyo, don't bother with this one, but a new Employee Experience Pack around open enrollment. That's actually probably coming up soon for a lot of people at their jobs, open enrollment. So you may want to take a look at that experience pack to help your open enrollment. And let's see, we did employee experience, and then the next one was Flexera integration. Okay, so if you're using Flexera, they resolved a state management transition error. There's some database view and export definition improvements, and then some UI improvements and performance improvements, and some bug fixes. So go Flexera, keeping your application up to date. We all love to see that. So if you have the Flexera application, you might want to go look at that update. IBM Security Verify Service Desk. So there's some new campaigns and certification assignments for those campaigns. So if you're using that IBM Security Verify, make sure you go grab that update or at least take a look at it. The ITSM connector for SAP. I didn't even know this one existed. They versioned it, added support for creating service requests, universal requests, CSM cases, and adding some reports to a dashboard. So if you're using the ITSM connector for SAP, you may want to take a look at that. I'm skipping all the fixes and the blanks because they're just not worth showing you. But this new lab resource manager actually had two updates. One of them was just the same release notes as the last time. This one actually had some details around instrument transfer, instrument contact management, mobile experience enhancements, and some bug fixes. So if you're using New Lab, you may want to take a look at that one. And then Return Center was another one. Support for San Diego. So go Return Center. Even though we're on Tokyo, they are now supporting San Diego. And let's see, second to last one here, semantic DLP end user remediation, some character masking on incident details. EUR admin or end user can now remediate incidents from the portal. They took away support for Quebec on that semantic app, so you may want to take a look at that one if you're using it. And the last one here, the Yansa Trend Seeker, added an order field allowing prioritization, added some run rules. Where's my dog? Added some run rules to the API, and improved some logging. So that's your weekly updates from the ServiceNow Security Store with a little guest appearance or a guest voice appearance from my dog. I'm not going to re-record that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might be interested in what's new in the ServiceNow Store. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.